Well, to include as many players as possible in this G20 summit has been one of China's goals. And this upcoming G20 summit, Chinese Finance Minister Lou Jiwei says the world's financial leaders have committed to promoting global economic growth. Our Ming Tian tells us more.
The global economic situation remains complex and stern. That's according to Chinese Finance Minister Lou Jiwei. Lou and his counterparts from the world's top economies have already met 3 times this year to seek ways to stimulate growth. Just days ahead of the Group of 20 Leaders Summit, Lou said the finance track has completed its policy recommendations.
We believe that growth should come with innovation. We need to raise productivity through structural reforms and make expansion last long. The G20 has achieved landmark results in this matter. We have identified 9 priority areas of structural reforms, developed a set of guiding principles, and set up an indicator system index to assess the reform progress. This agreement is unprecedented, as it addresses both the symptoms and the root causes of the growth.
Since the financial crisis in 2008, the world's economies have used a variety of policy levers to revive growth, but the effects have been far from satisfactory. The growth outlook has been dampened by several mishaps, including stock market swings, the UK's leaving the European Union, and terrorist attacks. Lou said the G20 meetings have united the member countries to act together.
We're committed to using all policy tools, monetary, fiscal, and structural, to achieve robust and long-term growth. In the foreign currency market, we agreed to refrain from competitive devaluation. We also discussed means to guard against Britain's exit from the European Union, to fight terrorism, and to deal with refugee issues. The agreement built up our consensus and created an encouraging environment for growth.
There are high expectations for the upcoming summit in Hangzhou since China takes up the G20 presidency. Lou said as the world's second-largest economy, China has pushed forward this year's agenda and the transformation of the G20.
G20's function is changing from crisis response to long-term governance. We put forward several new initiatives, including the G20 Blueprint on Innovative Growth, a new industrial revolution. We believe these initiatives could work together with the structural reform efforts and secure the world economy's lasting growth.
8 years after the global financial crisis, the recovery remains less than desired. As world economies still look for long-term and robust growth, they hope the G20 leaders will reach decisive and united solutions at their summit in Hangzhou. Ming Tian, CCTV, Beijing.